Welcome to Howuku. In this video, we'll show you step by step how to install the tracking code for Howuku in Shopify. First, you need to have a Howuku account and a Shopify account. Then, navigate to the Howuku dashboard to get the unique tracking code that you'll need to install on your Shopify site. Next, log into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the online store section, and click on the Themes option. Find the theme you're using and click on the Actions button. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Code to access the theme editor. Once you're in the theme editor, navigate to the theme.liquid file. The next step is to paste the tracking code into the theme.liquid file. You need to paste the code right before the closing head tag. Make sure to save your changes before closing the editor. After you've installed the tracking code, you need to verify that it's working correctly. Navigate back to the Howuku dashboard and verify the Shopify installation.
When you see the celebration animation, it indicates that the tracking code has been installed correctly. Now you can start improving your website's conversion rate.
Thank you for watching our video. Try it out for yourself today to accelerate your conversions with Howuku, the all-in-one CRO suite.